Welcome to this beautiful site. Now in this video, we'll be showing you some things you can do from sunup till sundown on the Disney Wish. If you're able to do it, I would definitely recommend getting a balcony view, or a veranda room as Disney calls it. One of my favorite things to do was just open that sliding glass door and watch the ocean for a while. Of course, the Disney Wish is a huge ship, so there's a lot to do on board, but this is just a small example of things you can have fun doing with you and your family. This is the Inside Out Joyful Sweets Shop. Now this shop is located on deck 11, and it's right outside the food area. It's really cool in here. They have decorated cake pops, cookies, cupcakes, all the good stuff. Now depending on which cruise you're on, they may have specialty desserts too. This is a great area to sit down and enjoy some desserts. You can look out at the ocean while you're eating. They have ice cream, they have gelato, they have a whole bunch of toppings for the ice cream, which is awesome. This is an extra charge, so you will have to pay from your expense account on the ship. What's your favorite ice cream? Comment below, let me know. Look at that, they have different flavor ice cream cones. Who has that? Disney has that. And of course they have all the Inside Out characters that you want to see. Look, you have Sadness, you have the memory orbs, there's Envy. Now in this corner over here, they have a small concession area where you can grab some popcorn, some candy. I think they have cotton candy in there. So when you feel like your kids have had enough sugar, you can bring them up to deck 12 into the Hero Zone, which has this Games Incredibles obstacle course bounce house. It's pretty awesome. You run through, there's different obstacles to go through. You can swing on the balls there, slide down the slide like Dash and Jack Jack, stretch out like Elasti-Woman, get all the wiggles out. They also have games for babies and a few other activities. This isn't, full disclosure, obviously not on the Disney Wish. This is at Castaway Cay, but they do have a little playground for kids to play on. That little plank area up there, we did ask if kids could go up there and jump off. Unfortunately, they cannot. That would have been awesome, but they have the monkey bars and the rope courses and everything for kids to play on, get wet, and have a good time. This is a little further down by the water slide, which you can see in the background there. So that water slide, you actually have to swim up to and swim back from. So you can't get on it just by walking up land. You have to swim out to it and swim back from it. And then they have a little splash station right there. Now we're back on the ship here. This is the Royal Princess Gathering is what it's officially called. So you have all the Disney princesses in line. You do have to make a reservation for this. You can do that on the app, but it's free. There's no extra cost to it. But you get to go and meet all the Disney princesses and take photos with them. This was on the Halloween on the high seas, so Goofy is dressed up as a skeleton. You do, throughout the ship, have all the Disney characters, the regular classic Disney characters, like Donald and Goofy, Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, all of them. You can take photos with them as well. You stand in line, you don't need a reservation for that. That was some fun hocus pocus action. This is the awakening of the pumpkin tree. So they do a little show here in the Grand Hall where they awaken the pumpkin tree again on Disney Halloween on the High Seas. As you can see, there's a lot of people who come to watch this presentation, so you may want to get there early to get a good seat. And of course, if you want to dip out early, there are plenty of bars right around this area. So eventually, with a little Disney magic, this tree and the pumpkins will come to life and stay alive throughout the whole sailing. The Disney Wish also has quite a few Broadway shows in their different theaters throughout the ship. They are definitely worth going to see. Make sure to check out our other videos where we go more in depth on things to do at Castaway Cay, around the ship, at the restaurants, all types of different things you'll need to know about the Disney Wish. Bingo time! This is bingo. Bingo's fun. It's a lot of energy. It's high rolling energy. You can use the regular cards, the paper cards, which you mark off yourself, or you can use the tablets, which as soon as a number is called, they will update on the tablet and it'll tell you if you win or not. Now you do have to pay to play, but you can also win a whole lot of money. One of the coolest things is you have fireworks right off the balcony of the ship. I believe Disney is the only cruise line that does this. So these are just a few things you could do on the Disney Wish. Again, the ship is huge, there's a lot to do, but hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.